Right, here we have my Eumig 802. Slipping, not taking in the reel, won't reverse. So, in here is two discs which the ball bearing will hit to run backwards or forwards. Now it is quite worn. So, I've been reading on forums that this is the main problem. So they're saying clean it with sandpaper and numerous things which I can't see working. I work in the IT industry. I've done a lot of PC and printer repairs, especially laser printer. Now we have paper jams a lot with rubber reels, so we tend to spray it with PlatenClene, which vitalises the rubber to get a grip. Now this is my last ditch attempt before I bin this machine and buy another one. So we'll give it a go. I'll give it a clean, put it on some cotton buds and rub it around the wheel, both sides, and we'll come back to it. Okay, so I've cleaned it once with a cotton bud, squirted some fluid on it, rubbed it all the way around the full surface, both sides, this side and that side. So I've let that dry and got myself a bit of you can get this green, it's like a rough mesh used for washing your pots. Now I only had a white one, but cut it off a bit of sponge. I'm going to treat it again and rub it all the way around, because it'll help to get all the grit and dirt off there and any grease that's laying around. Spray it with some PlatenClene and we'll try again. It did improve the first time, so hopefully this will cure my problem. Now I've cleaned it 3 times, dried it off to make sure there's no fluid left in there, and let's see what happens. I would get no wheel turn at all before I did this. So we'll go forward. I haven't put a film in yet, but I know it's working now. And stop. Backwards. Yeah, front motor's working fine. So I'll give it a test with a film in. Right, the motor is working fine. Running at 18 frames at the moment. Running at 24 frames. That's in reverse. Stop it. Move forward. There we go. So that PlatenClene fixed that problem. So the problem I've got now is bouncing gate. I can't stop it. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know. The gate just bounces. Thanks for watching.